Here in Google SketchUp, we do our PG designs and all related background in our project. In Paint Tools I, we do our character designs because the lines are much better. In Photoshop, we used to color our characters designed from SAI. After coloring our characters, we move on to Flash to animate our character. In Flash, we fix the framing of our colored characters from Photoshop. Here in After Effects, we import the background, animated characters, adjustments of lights, and camera shots. We create the shadows by duplicating the layer and applying the effects to make it more effective. For our chase scenes, we create camera shake effects to give your actions. Finally, we edit the sound composition on Sony Vegas, background music, sound ambience, and voiceovers.